Have you ever wondered if you should run wheel spacers on your car? Wheel spacers, intriguing as they may sound, are simple mechanisms that have a profound impact on your vehicle's performance, appearance, and compatibility with different tire sizes. They're essentially sandwiched between your car's wheel and hub, pushing the wheel further out. You might consider them for reasons ranging from aesthetics to enhanced handling. So, should you run wheel spacers on your car? Let's dive right in and find out. First off, let's talk about the benefits of wheel spacers. They're a great way to enhance your vehicle's appearance, giving it a more aggressive and sporty look. They can make your wheels more flush with the fenders and more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. Wheel spacers also improve your vehicle's handling and performance by affecting the geometry and dynamics of your vehicle. They can alter the suspension system, steering system, brake system, and more, making your ride smoother and more enjoyable. Another benefit is increased clearance for larger wheels or tires. Wheel spacers push your wheels outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, providing enough space for suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variations. Finally, wheel spacers can correct the offset of your wheels or tires. They change their position relative to the hub, affecting how they sit under your fenders and impacting your vehicle's handling and performance. With these benefits, it's clear that wheel spacers can be a great addition to your vehicle. Now, if you're considering wheel spacers, one brand that stands out is BONOSS. Known for their high-strength materials like 7075 T6 or 6061 T6 forged aluminum alloys, BONOSS wheel spacers offer unparalleled durability and performance. Their fine grain structure enhances tool wear resistance, making them a reliable choice for your vehicle. Plus, their black anodized coating significantly improves corrosion and wear resistance, adding an extra layer of protection. With BONOSS wheel spacers, you can enjoy all the benefits we've discussed and more, ensuring your ride is as smooth, stylish, and efficient as possible.